Hello there, you are welcome to Street Hustle, and my name is Engineer Obi Smart, and I am your anchor on this particular channel. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, what we do on this channel is that we bring you information updates concerning small, medium, and large-scale businesses that one can start in Nigeria, especially in the agro sector, because that is where we are concentrating for now. And so on this particular edition, we are talking about rice production, but the kind of rice we are talking about here is the locally farmed, locally produced rice. And on this edition, I will be talking basically on how you can actually have your own rice brand, local rice brand anyway. Now, there are processes that you need to undergo if you want to have your own locally farmed rice brand. And there are many varieties. If you look on my screen, you will see some varieties. Now, all these things you're seeing here, they are all locally manufactured rice in Nigeria here. So I'm talking to you right now in Nasarawa State. This is where my office is, Nasarawa State. And there are many states in Nigeria where you can actually buy locally manufactured rice. Sorry, locally farmed rice. You can have it in Nasarawa State, you have in Taraba, you have in Niger State, you have in Ebonyi State, you have in Benue State, like that. But there are particular ones that are long grain, some are short grain. So there are some that when you buy and you destone them, they look just like foreign rice. Yes, they just look like foreign rice in their quality. So if that type is the type that you want to deal on, there are processes. Number one, you first of all register with NAFDAC as the first thing. Then you register with the Standard Organization of Nigeria. And then you will now have your own brand. After doing this, you have your own brand, and with around 250,000, 300,000 naira, you are done with all these registrations. And then you design your own bag, but it must be locally bagged, and you must state it there, local Nigerian rice. But you will now say destoned, or you can say stone-free, destoned. Any word you want to use that, and it is highly lucrative. Yes, because if you buy from Nasarawa State, from Taraba State, or you buy through us, we can supply you in large quantity, very, very large quantity. Now, you can be making around it from the list is 5,000 naira per bag. So if you have money anywhere that you're not using, maybe you are watching this video now, you're a Nigerian, but you don't stay in Nigeria, and you're looking for a business to do, you can do it on a wholesale basis. You can do it, you can buy and then you export. You can buy and you sell locally. Whichever method you want to do, we have you covered. Now, but there is a consultation fee, please. It's not free. Yes, if you're reaching out to me from outside Nigeria, you are seeing this video right now, and you want to go into rice packaging, rice repackaging, locally farmed rice, we can help you to source for them. We can supply you the rice. We can take the process off your neck from the beginning to the end. So we have a consultation fee ranging from $100 to $300, depending on the capacity you want to come in. Yes, depending on the capacity you want to come in. Even if you want to hire, even if you want to build a rice mill, even if you want to buy a rice destoning machine, very, very lucrative. You can also help you to process that. Whatever you want to do as far as agro business is concerned in the north here, we can handle that for you. If you also want to go into agro storage, like this year, I stored the goosey, I stored the guinea corn, I stored corn, I stored just name them. I'm into full-time agro storage. I have warehouses everywhere. I have storages. The ones I have myself, the one I rent out to people. You can check my channel. You will see plenty of videos I have made concerning agro storage business. It is very, very lucrative. Right now, you can come in and enter into storage business. You can store beans right now. You can store soya beans right now. You can store Benin seeds right now. With whichever agro product, even pepper, you can store pepper. All you have to do is to come into my mentorship, come into my consultation group, and then whenever the time reaches for a particular one to be stored, I will let you know, so that whichever amount of money you can use to store it, fine. You can rent a store here. You can build your own store. You can buy here and store in your location in any part of Nigeria where you are. You can do agro storage business. So that one is by the way anyway, because this video is all about rice packaging and sales. Of course, you know that Nigeria does not meet up with local demand for rice consumption. Right now, we're only meeting up about 57%, of the locally demanded rice. Yes, what we consume here in Nigeria, here alone, here, we are not able to meet up. Both imported and locally found, we don't meet up. 57% is what has been covered, and people are, demanding every day. So if you go into rice repackaging and distribution, you are going to make a whole lot of money. Rice business is one of the businesses that you cannot lose, you cannot regret. Even if the price falls, you can store it in the next 6 months, 1 year, the price will go up again, and you can still sell and make your money. You understand? So that is it about the business. So if you want to actually do the business, please, you see the number on my screen. Like I told you, there's a consultation fee. It's not free. Please, it's not free. So if you have, if you are interested, please reach out to the number on my screen. You can send me a WhatsApp message. You can actually call me on the number. You see my WhatsApp number, you see my call number. You can call me and let me know the kind of video that you saw, my video you saw. If it is a rice business, then you heard me say. If it is a storage business that you want to do, even if it is farming, you want to farm, you have money, you are outside Nigeria, you are within Nigeria, you have money that is idle that you are not using, and you want to go into farming, and you need large land, and you need workers to help you on the farm. They will farm, they will harvest for you, they will process, they will store for you, and then you will sell and make your money. If it is what you want, I will be out here to actually help you. So make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That is one good thing you will do for us. And you also share this video with other people who may be actually interested in going into agro business. So I'll be seeing you in the next edition. God bless you until I come your way again.